being able to create different images of your product on social media in different angles, different aspects is a great skill right now to show off the video of your product you are promoting. So in this video, I'm gonna show you amazing sources and the platforms that you can get inspiration with and get copies of these prompts that you can use in Nano or any other AI image generators to promote your own digital product, whatever it is, digital or affiliate products. So now, let me show you. And firstly, we are delighted to just go to this amazing website that says mygen.ai. Here you can find a plethora of these amazing images and, in other words, beautiful prompts to create these such images or posters or product images as you see in different categories and different ideas. For sure, you can pick one of these amazing ideas to build up your own portfolio to promote your own digital product or your affiliate or your brand as you like. So for example, if you just pick one of these amazing images here, like this one for example, click over it, then you can find this amazing prompt here. Just you can use in Nano or any other AI image generator to create this such amazing image as you see. Okay, that's it. Or you can try something else here. If you just go to one of these beautiful amazing images here, like this for example, okay, just you can give the Nano Banana for example these pieces of cloth and it would just give you the model here wearing this amazing set. Or you can go to this one for food niche or nutrition or something junk food. So here you can find this amazing prompt and just describing floating chocolate explosion. For sure, here you can exchange this one as you want, like for sandwich or for burger, pizza, as you want. Here you can find different amazing examples that you can generate using this structure of this prompt. Okay, it's an amazing one for restaurants or promoting something like food-related brands. So the first website here you can try in this amazing video for sure, mygen.ai. okay, and the second website quickly just to buy over to this awesome website that says same.energy. It's amazing library of these amazing images you can find on different sources like from Flickr, Pinterest or any other source for images. Here you can go to this one, enter. Then you can go through this amazing website just by starting insert anything you can search for. Like I can search for something like pizza. Okay, then you can find huge amounts of these pizza posters, ideas, images as you see. I would source it from different other platforms and primarily for sure Pinterest.com. And the best one here, the best feature here on this amazing website, if you click one of these amazing ideas like this one, it gives you the same collection that's similar to this amazing image, like for theme, colors, types and so on. So if you click for this one, it gives you the same characters, the same characteristics in this amazing image as you see. So it helps you to just make your own images for print on demand and your amazing digital product promotion and much more. And the third website quickly, that is by going to bananaprompts.xyz. Here you can find a huge library of these images that you can use to promote your own, to just produce your own images that you can use later on LinkedIn, your CV as you want. So here all you have to do, just you can go to one of these images like this one for example and copy its prompt here and use on Nano or any other AI image generator and for sure uploading your reference image, and just in few seconds it would be converted to such like that. So this amazing website helps you to generate your profile picture or your professional brand picture. And the next website quickly, just by going to nanoprompts.org. Here you can find a big set of these prompts here that help you more to promote your own brand and your products. For example, you can head over to this one as you find these categories like for product, portrait, character, marketing, architecture, and so on. So I can go to this one exactly. Then you can find here in every single image, you can click over it. You can find inside it a plethora of these images and for sure amazing prompts. Like if you ever to this one, if you want to create such like this, here you can go to this one prompt and go show full prompt. Then you can copy all of it and go to Gemini Nano to produce such like this amazing image. Okay, and likewise in all these images here, as you see, just upload here your image like this one, and by using this prompt it will be converted to this like on iPhone or a mobile screen. That's it. Okay, before and after and so forth. Perfect, isn't it? And the next website quickly, that is by going to nppro.org/prompts. Here you can find a huge library of Nano prompt images, and here sorted by different amazing categories like for e-commerce, creative design, portrait, gaming, academic, and so on. So simply and easily you can head over to e-commerce, for example, and then you can use one of these beautiful amazing prompts. Like if you go to this one, you can convert these clothes to beautiful mock-up scene here on a background, on a white background. Here, just extract clothing items from the uploaded photo. So here, if you upload image like this, okay, then it would extract all these pieces here to be on a background, okay, without a model or a person wearing them. Okay, perfect. So I can go back and try anything else like this one, just by choosing the weather here from warm for cold and so on and so forth. Perfect. And the next website here, you can get amazing prompts to create your images here to promote your products. For sure, by going to ideogram.ai, here you can find amazing and huge amounts of these prompts to create such beautiful images. So if you click over this one, for example, here you can find this one ready to you prompt for you, okay? Or if you go to anything else like this one, for example, to create your portrait or something else, here you can find these prompts are waiting for you. Or this one, okay, that's it. Poster, posts, and so on. And the last website here, you can try to get beautiful prompts to create your images by going to this website, nanoplana.art/prompts. Here you can find amazing and a big collection of these prompts. So you can go to this one, for example, and you can get this prompt to turn your image to this beautiful style. Easy and simple and awesome. So now you have different options and sources to make your own images and turn them into a masterpiece to promote your products and show off the beauty of your digital products and the flip products as you want for your audience. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.